So I'm Olivia, and today we're going to be making different kinds of slimes. So the things that you made will be a mason jar. Oh, by the way, we have a special guest, Olivia. So we have some, what is it? These are baby mason jars. And we're going to use this to put the slime in because they're just really cute. Yeah. So then we're going to need clear soap. Olivia has going to have blue clear soap, and hers is fresh cotton, and I'm going to have purple soap, which is fresh lavender. So, and we need a freezer.
Yeah.
So
there's a freezer. Over there.
So first you're going to open up.
Can you open mine?
Yeah, so first going to twist and pull. So first after you're done taking that off,
take this one off.
So I'm just going to take this off, twist it. Right, and after so much things have to be twisted. Can you?
Why is it not working today?
So I don't want that much slime.
Me either, so I'm going to do the same amount what she did.
So see, there's already soap in the tube. So for the tube, you're just going to squeeze it from the tube. And then after you just put it in there. I might do a little bit more.
Alright, well I'm here, there's like 4 or something in
That's
there.
what it looks like. Yeah, a little bit more.
So all credit cards got money on, right?
So right now, mine kind of feels like slime.
Yeah, this is like really thick slime.
This is really thick soap, so it's not slime yet. So after you're done with it, put the top on. There's Max on here. Top on. And now I'm gonna get a spoon.
A small spoon.
You can use a spoon or a fork, but I'm just using
We're using baby forks. We're using normal forks. And
we're gonna wait until you see
all of it trying to
bubbles. You're gonna see bubbles. So mine has bubbles.
What are you guys doing now?
Mine has a lot of bubbles.
then you told me to make slime with it.
I didn't tell you.
I wanted to. It made me sick.
So after that, you put it
Is
in.
mine good?
Yeah, there's
Why you steal my seat, guy?
So
You.
you're so cute. So after it's bubbling, you're gonna put it in the freezer.
I'm gonna put it in the freezer. Can we put it Now we're going to wait how many minutes?
3 to 4 minutes. So
We're gonna put 4 minutes.
Yeah, we're gonna do 4
So
minutes.
we're gonna just talk with 4.
Okay, so well, I am doing a giveaway, and I'm gonna be making some slime.
Can I
and
have that?
Going to give it away for a giveaway.
What?
So slime. So
Which kind of slime?
the slime. I'm gonna make them. So it's gonna be made out of this technique. So
And we'll see how that goes. If it doesn't work, we'll figure out something else.
Yeah.
We can't use glue because it's payful. You can pay. But if you have glue, you can use it.
Oh, by the way, guys, I'm making a vlog today. Olivia's not gonna be in it.
Because I have to. Well, I get to be in most of the parts, but hey, dude, not fun. Why are you fighting yourself, you doofus?
Who?
Max, he's like.
Who does that?
Parker, I like to pick up water. Go, Parker. Okay, bye-bye. Parker, the water. Parker, no. There you go. Get your out.
So we have 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes. Huh. Ready? You're free. Where's my cookie dough?
Get your own.
Hey.
Oh, there's my pajamas. Okay, ready for midnight sack? So you want midnight sack? Here we go. Okay, 1 more minute. See ya off the camera, fashion. Please step back and I'll start you crying. But you for now, no, I'm just passing. Do you want to? No, thanks for asking. Ooh, nah, don't like taking on me. See ya off the camera, fashion. Please step back and I'll start.
Stop eating. Parker, stop. We're gonna get out.
Do you want to drink? No, thanks for asking.
Oh, we got 157, 56, 54, 54, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 47, 48, 9,
3, 4.
I'll blow up and shake. I put water in it. I was like, milk. I like milk. I like turtles.
1, 2,
Okay.
3,
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
I am the one that
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go get them, guys. Okay.
Okay, so
Now we're just gonna mix some up. Let's see if they turn this. Okay, I think we're gonna put it in 3 more minutes.
yeah, we're gonna put it in the microwave for 3 more minutes. So, Olivia, you wanna go put this in the? You wanna go put that in the refrigerator for 3 more minutes? Well, the
Freezer.
the freezer.
Not.
That's happening. I'm gonna. Hey, go get my other slimes.
Okay.
They're on my bed.
Under.
Well, on the side of my bed. You wanna drink? No, thanks for asking.
Yeah.
Yeah. These are slimes. That's fine. If you didn't see my slime review, go check it out. I love this one. Listen. Shut up.
I love that one too because
Yeah, it smells so good.
I do it with like mostly sometimes all my fingers or 4 or 3 or 2 or 1 or 2. And so I mostly do 2 all the time.
Oh, by the way, if your slime is stiff, put clear glue in it.
Yeah.
Well, clear soap in it.
Can I play with one?
Sticky. Yeah, get one out.
Well,
You don't have to ask. And get off the counter. That's gross.
I do it all the time.
Get off. So, guys, we have 1 more minute. So right now I'm kneading this. Mix it up. So right now I'm mixing this up. And it should get unstiff. Should not be stiff anymore. This only works with fluffy stuff.
We got, hey!
It's my slime.
I made it flat, and I didn't want anybody to ruin it.
Okay. This slime is the worst. I don't like this slime.
I don't like that one either. I love making bubbles.
Cool.
Slime, I really like slime. So easy to make. So
They're done.
okay, here, I'll go get one. Slime. I really like slime. So easy to make. So they just all the time. If they're not,
They're not done. Whatever.
sorry it's taking so long. But if this works, and I hope it does, I'm gonna mix it up for a minute. And then we'll see.
Okay, so I'm gonna get it out.
I think it's still, it's slime.
I mean, it looks like slime, but when you pick it up,
Oh yeah.
go get some flour. I'm gonna try to put some in here.
I can't.
Oh my god, Livy. Use a towel.
I can't like put it in. It doesn't sound like anything, so it's not slime. It doesn't sound like anything. It's not slime. It's not slime.
I mean, when it came out, it looked like slime. When you put it down, it feels like poop.
Like diarrhea. No, like throw up.
No, it's like this works.
Okay, this is. I think we shouldn't even put it out. Ooh, okay, this is a bad idea. Like, it's not working out. I'm just gonna put mine back in the container.
So when I take it out of the container, it's like, oh my god, it's slime. When I pick it up, it's
Like poop.
watery.
Yeah. Really watery. It's just like soap. It's soapy.
Yeah, it's still soap consistency. So let me wash my hands. And since we put it in
For 5.
And since we put it in the since we put flour in it, we're gonna see if that helps it. And then after, so we're gonna post a different video. So I'm gonna go upload this video right now, and then I'm going to show you if it worked or not, and then we're just gonna go into the vlog. Okay, bye guys.